All right, guys, yet again, we have another Dodge Charger Scatpack trying to run from GSP. Looks like that they don't learn. But this one did it in rush hour, broad daylight. But the question is, did he get away going in and out of traffic with a whole bunch of cops behind him? Let's go ahead and check out this video and see what's up, if he got away. If he didn't, let's go and find out. Before that, let's give a shout out to State Boys. Link for the video and the channel in the description, guys. Go ahead and give him a like, subscribe to his channel, check out all his video. By the way, if you guys like this video, there's way more. Just hit my videos, go to my channel, hit the videos and check it out. Let's get this. You can already see the traffic. You already know the deal. Never mind, it started. That's the police. Woo, woo.
I-20 westbound. It's a white Charger, Georgia tip tags, Charles 0522515. I-20 west, and this is Hill.
If you haven't noticed, the car's still in drive with the foot on the brake. Charger versus Charger crime. Let's get it.
Make a left. We'll see, he'll probably cross. Alright, we're stopping on 22. Going back 20 eastbound. Back 20 eastbound. Alright, he's getting over to the left.
Comment down below who you got your money on, the Scatpack or the Cops Hemi.
No, we're 20 eastbound. That's the boulevard. He's on the HOV line. Alright, we're going to the right. He's in the right lane. it's the red light. All right, he's pulling in the Highland Apartments.
Ooh, yikes.
Nope, we're still driving. Stay on the road, stay on the road. He's gonna get back to the road. Yeah, stay out. He's coming back out to the road. He's coming out to the road. There's only one way in, one way out. I'm not there. All right, never mind. He's running. It's a bald head, light skin girl with a book bag running up several. Please! Hey, I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! Hey, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he run over here? Hey! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where did he go?
Bro, what's going on? Wait, hold up. I gotta read this. The suspect, 26-year-old Ty, was able to avoid capture. However, he was ID in the vehicle and was arrested. Wow. Found guilty, sentenced to 12 months probation. Well, nosy neighbors.
I believe he might ran back
Hold up.
but these kids are running out in the I believe he might
Never mind.
I believe he might ran back but these kids are running out in the direction that he went, I think.
There is no perimeter. There were so many people, they could have hit him in the house. They were behind me. I'm chasing him. You're not sure if you made it back out to the main road. Do what? Did we hit him? We're going about your business until we didn't hit him. Did we or no?
Everybody coming out.
Everybody's back. Yeah, ball here. That's why we got him. Hey, we got him, though. We got him. Thank
Bro, that is wild. You hear the people mocking the cops, man. Hey, don't mock the cops, because if something happens where you're at and the cop, that same cop or whoever, they go there and they know you've been mocking them and you're not on their side, they probably won't be as into what happened to you or whatever. You feel me? He did pretty good. He did pretty good. He went to the apartments and he ran. They did see him, whatever. But he messed up where he left his ID. If you're going to run, be ready to take everything with you. Take everything with you. Do not leave anything, because you're going to get caught. And that's what happened. He got caught a couple of days later. That was wild. But you guys see the difference between a Scatpack and a regular VA Hemi, like an RT. I ain't gonna lie though, it's even worth getting a Scatpack, because you saw how close that Hemi was. It was right on his ass. So now if it's a Hellcat, now that's a different story. Guys, out of all the videos I put out as like Florida Highway Patrol GSP, I love the GSP ones from State Boys, because they get pretty wild and pretty funny, man. And they all have a lot of Chargers, and I like Chargers. Them things are dope. But they be wilding out in freaking Georgia, man. They be wilding. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for y'all. Shoot, I just want to give you guys a quick video, you know, check it out and just some entertainment, you know, for the day. But yeah, guys, I got more videos just like this. I actually got a playlist where you can go through all the videos I got. Make sure you check them out. We got from some GTRs, Hellcat Swap 300, Chrysler 300, Trackhawks. Go check it out, guys. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Go ahead and check out Stay Boys videos and their channel. Link in the description. Remember, guys, God is good. Put him first always. And I'm gonna catch y'all later. Stay safe. Deuces.